As the first phase of Lok Sabha polls are underway in Rajasthan, 20 Lok Sabha constituencies including Ganganagar, Bikaner, Churu, Jhunjhunu, Sikar, Jaipur Rural, Jhalawar and Baran and others cast their ballots to seal the political fate of leaders in the state. Rajasthan CM Vasundhara Raje cast her vote at the polling station set up in Topkhana School in Jhalawar constituency. Expecting a good result, Raje pins her hope for a victory for her son Dushyant Singh, who is contesting from Jhalawar and others from all constituencies. This report was brought to you by NNIS.